When dealing with a suspected spinal injury, every move counts. The goal: keep the head, neck and spine aligned while moving the victim safely out of the water. Water exit with suspected spinal injury. Approach from behind, sliding your arms under the victim's armpits. Raise your elbows and place both hands firmly to stabilize the head. Lock your shoulders under theirs, pull the victim close to your chest, and step back carefully to lift and move. In a team, the rescuer at the head leads the motion, while the second supports the body weight. Solo ground transfer. When alone, kneel beside the victim's head, keeping your back straight. Stay close. Your own head now replaces your hand for support. Release the arm on the head side. Move that hand to the chin, while the forearm rests across the chest. Then, place the other arm at the occiput, with the forearm running along the spine. Step back slowly, guiding the victim down onto their back in one controlled motion. Rescuer ground transfer with 2 rescuers. The one at the head takes control and gives the commands. Kneel at the head, stabilizing in neutral position. If a rescue tube is used, it must be removed before laying the victim flat. The second rescuer should place one hand under the chin's victim, with the forearm resting along the chest, and the other hand at the occiput, with the forearm resting behind the shoulder. The first rescuer can release their arm on the raised knee side and move their hand to the occiput, with their forearm resting along the spine. Then release their other arm, placing their hand under the chin, forearm across the chest. On command, both rescuers coordinate to roll the victim gently onto the back. The first rescuer can step back and maintain head support in a stable and comfortable position. For example, using a small sand cushion under the head can be required. These techniques bring the victim safely out of the water and onto the sand. But what if you need to move them onto hard ground or extract them further inland? Watch the second part of this series, where we cover spinal board extraction techniques for suspected spinal injuries.